how long a person should be down there? What are you giving it? If you're putting the timer on, what are you stopping it at?
I think, first of all, men experience orgasm so much more rapidly than women do. And so men cannot project their idea of arousal onto women. Look, I like to suggest to my male clients that before they even consider going down on a partner, that they give it 20 or 25 minutes of just kissing and connecting and touching and talking and fantasizing and foreplay. Yeah, real extended acts of simmering. And
Who has the time, Ian?
What else are you going to take time for these days? What? To go get on TikTok, to go check, your social media stats? If you don't have time to absorb into pleasure and sex, I don't know, you need to reorganize your life.
I was going to say you're screwed, but you're actually not screwed. That's the problem.